The Keychron C1 Pro is a solid, budget-friendly mechanical keyboard that surprises with its features and performance, especially considering its price point. If you've been searching for a reliable, wired-only mechanical keyboard for gaming or office use without breaking the bank, this is an option worth considering. At first glance, the C1 Pro has a clean, minimalist design that feels well-constructed for its category. While it lacks wireless Bluetooth support, which might be a deal-breaker for some, this wired-only design offers a stable and consistent connection, making it perfect for gamers and professionals who value reliability over convenience. The lack of Bluetooth also means you won't face any input lag or connectivity issues that can occasionally plague wireless models. One of the standout features of the C1 Pro is its high-quality construction. It comes with PBD keycaps, which are known for their durability and premium feel. The pre-lubed switches, although not hot-swappable in this version, offer a smooth typing experience that exceeds expectations for this price range. The keyboard also features south-facing LEDs, which is a nice touch for those who want to customize their setup with aftermarket keycaps, ensuring compatibility without issues. In terms of performance, the Keychron C1 Pro delivers on the basics. It's a solid option for both office tasks and gaming, with responsive key switches that make typing and gaming sessions feel comfortable. However, it does fall short of the high-end tactile feedback and premium build that some pricier models offer. Still, for the price, the performance is more than adequate for most users. One of the real gems of the C1 Pro is its software compatibility. It works with VIA configuration software, which allows you to create custom macros, adjust backlighting, and even set up personalized profiles. This level of customization is often seen in much more expensive keyboards, which is a rare and impressive feature for a budget model like this. However, there are a few downsides to keep in mind. The lack of Bluetooth or multi-device pairing options might be a limitation for those who need a keyboard for both desktop and mobile tablet use. Additionally, while the build quality is great for its class, it's not as robust as more premium mechanical keyboards, which can make it feel slightly less durable in long-term use. Overall, the Keychron C1 Pro is an impressive entry-level mechanical keyboard that punches above its weight. With features typically reserved for more expensive models, it's an excellent choice for users who want a reliable, customizable, and budget-friendly option for both work and gaming. While it may not be the top pick for those who need wireless connectivity or extreme durability, it delivers excellent value for its price.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.